Myself Ansa. I hope you are all fine and doing good. So without wasting further time, let's start the video. So today we will discuss techniques of molecular genetics. In molecular genetics, we use different methods or techniques to isolate and analyze the DNA RNA transcribed from a particular gene. Different techniques are given below, which one is gel electrophoresis, polymerase chain reaction, macromolecule blotting and probing, and last one is arrays. Here is a picture of all of these techniques. The next topic is elements of genetic engineering. It is defined as alteration of genes or manipulation of artificial genes. It also involves in removing the gene, inserting the gene into DNA, and last one is cut and paste process. हेयर इज एग्जाम्पल, एक बैक्टीरिया लिया, उसका प्लाज्मिड हमने निकाला, उसको कट किया और उसके कट पार्ट पे हमने ह्यूमन इंसुलिन जीन को इंसर्ट किया और अगेन हमने बैक्टीरिया को ग्रो करने के लिए छोड़ दिया. उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, इसकी जो है वो फर्मेंटेशन करेंगे, देन प्योरीफिकेशन, और उसको इजीली हम लोग इंसुलिन को यूज़ कर लेंगे. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज जेनेटिक बेसिक्स ऑफ कैंसर. व्हाट इज कैंसर? अनकंट्रोल्ड डिवीजन. कैंसर रिजल्ट फ्रॉम म्यूटेशंस इन जीन दैट कंट्रोल सेल डिवीजन. व्हाट इज प्रोटो oncogenes? Are normal gene that promote cell division. In oncogene, cell divide continuously. Tumor suppressor genes, it regulates the cell during cell division. Mutations that inactivates tumor suppressor genes. Oncogene protein encoded by oncogenes and have the potential to cancer, and faulty tumor suppressor proteins can interfere with the normal single transduction pathway. Here is the figure. Proto-oncogene DNA mutation within the genes, and then oncogenes produce hyperactive growth stimulating protein produce in normal amount, but when mutation occur, normal growth stimulating protein produce in excess amount, which leads to cancer. The next one is point mutation. If the point mutation occur, वट प्रोटो oncogenes जो है वो कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे oncogenes में, एंड देन oncoprotein, और विच रिजल्ट टू malignant growth. The next topic is genetic control of vertebrate immune system. What is the definition of immune system and how we will define? The immune system is a complex network of organs containing cells that recognize foreign substances in the body and destroy them. It protects vertebrates against pathogens or infectious agents such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, and other parasites. Types. There are two types of immunity. First one is innate immunity. We are all born with some level of immunity to invaders. Second one is adaptive immunity. This protect from pathogens develop as we go through life. Next topic is genetic control of animal development. It is a process through which a multicellular organisms arise from a single cell. During the process of development, cells become specialized and start to do different functions. For example, red blood cells carry oxygen, muscle cells contract, fat cells store nutrients, and nerve cells transmit information. Humans have 350 different types of cells which are different in forms and also in their function. The last one is complex inheritance pattern. Traits have a genetic components that does not flow strict Mendelian inheritance. It may involve the interactions of two or more genes or gene environment interactions. Different patterns are given below. First one is codominance, next incomplete codominance, pleiotromy, and last one is epistasis. Here we will discuss one by one. First one is codominance. It is a situation in which two different alleles for a genetic trait are both expressed. In this example, one chick is which is in blue in color and the other one which is white in color. The next progeny in which both colors are shown. This is the example of codominance. The next one is incomplete codominance. It is a form of intermediate inheritance in which one allele for a specific trait is not completely expressed over its paired allele. Here is the example in which one flower is which is red in color and the other one which is white in color, the progeny which is the intermediate of both. The next one is pleiotromy, the phenomenon of one gene being responsible or affecting more than one pleiotropic characteristics. Here is a single gene in which जो है वो mutations occur, the result which are seen, the three organs जो है वो affect हो गए. Last one is epistasis. Expression of one gene is affected by the expression of one or more independently inherited genes. Here is the example. People who are born with the genes for albinism will have no pigment even if their genes for skin and color are present. In this high amount of melanin present. That's it. Thank you so much.